Today we visit a street-side heat laboratory in India where meat doesn't simply cook, it undergoes irreversible transformation. The ritual begins as red tomatoes are lifted from a stained collection bucket like fragile biological organs awaiting structural collapse and released into a massive iron chamber that functions less like cookware and more like a thermal erasure unit. Inside, blades don't cut, they dismantle. The tomatoes surrender into a pulsing acidic base, losing their original form. Next, a dense ancestral heat-retaining cooking liquid spreads across the surface like a sealing membrane that traps heat, residue, and airborne particles inside the chamber. Large pieces of fresh mutton are lowered in like exposed muscle tissue entering accelerated breakdown therapy. Waves of rendered fat rise immediately, lifting the meat into boiling suspension. A heavy metal rod rotates through the mixture, forcing tomatoes, mutton fibers, hot liquid memory, and invisible organisms to merge into one evolving stew. Now the hydration phase begins. Chef bath water infusion is poured directly into the chamber, carrying skin minerals and environmental essence along with it. Next comes thickening control. Flour is placed below rinsing hands, allowing human-filtered hydration runoff, sweat salts, dust particles, and microlife to drip into the powder, forming a cloudy biological slurry. This mixture is poured straight into the boiling stew. Texture tightens, density increases, integration stabilizes. The vessel is sealed for hours. Inside, mutton fibers soften, oil embeds permanently. Warmth becomes a silent growth climate. Not everything disappears here. Some elements adapt. Hours later, the lid lifts. What remains is no longer just nihari. It's a reconstructed organism, tomato acid bound, oil sealed, mutton softened, and biologically infused, engineered to feed crowds.